Hi YouTube, my name is Jake and welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to share what I think about Tesla and how this company is tied to the recent fourth industrial revolution trend and why I believe that this company will be the ultimate winner in the end. The phrase of fourth industrial revolution or Industry 4.0 came from executive chairman of the World Economic Forum, Klaus Schwab, and this trend is driven by the technological breakthroughs in the modern smart technology to promote automation in the manufacturing and industrial practices. There are many components that determine this trend, but based on the current economic trends and political movements, I believe that the fourth industrial revolution boils down to the main one component, which is space exploration. My reasoning for this is that we currently lack the infrastructures and resources to fully enable, support, and process the highly advanced fourth industrial revolution technologies such as IoT platforms, artificial intelligence, autonomous vehicles, 3D printing, big data analytics, genomic revolutions, and many more. I believe space is where we can solve this problem by first, sending satellites into space for faster internet speed with low latency for data transmission. Second, space has all sorts of rare earth and minerals for semiconductor developments, which is an essential component of all electronic devices for computations and communication machine to machine, and also the main technology component for developing artificial intelligence. Third, space-based solar power infrastructure will provide not only clean energy source but reduce the cost for all energy on Earth. This is why many developed countries are investing heavily in space technologies to be the leader in this area to reap all the benefits from the fourth industrial revolution trend. However, due to the coronavirus pandemic economic downturn, most countries have halted the process except US by printing massive amounts of money to support this innovation. President Trump has established the US Space Force and has been vocal about the US should mine the moon for rare resources that could be used for research and developments in the new technology advancement, and also moon could serve as an intergalactic patrol station to help humans to stay longer or travel further in space. With SpaceX's reusable rockets, all costs for delivering the payloads, launching satellites, and other space traveling activities have been drastically reduced. Current rocket technologies use ignition fuels to get to the space, but in a space where there's no air, battery or solar energy will be the critical technology to drive electric engine. So far, Tesla is the only US public company that has direct relationships with all the technologies for space rockets and satellites, artificial intelligence, electric motor or engine, solar, battery, and mining for the space industry. With recent Tesla's ambition in the pickup truck and semi-trailer to disrupt the logistic industry, which also can be used to carry all the mined resources from the moon to spaceship to Earth. SpaceX and Tesla are both heavily backed by the US government by NASA funding SpaceX's projects and federal tax credit from the US government for Tesla's products. In my opinion, this is a very smart move from the US government because the US currently has no choice but to invest in the space race to be the winner, because this race is all about maintaining the reserve currency status against rising power China. If the US government were to directly get involved, politicians will most likely want to increase the tax to fund the very expensive projects, and this will make American citizens to be furious about the increase in tax, which will hinder the progress of innovation. However, if private or public company is able to do it successfully, the company will be portrayed as a hero since it can provide jobs and increase in economic activities, and also by making the investors very rich. As of now, Tesla looks to be the most valuable car company, but I believe that Tesla is much greater than just a car company. As CEO Elon Musk puts it, Tesla should really be thought of as roughly a dozen technology startups, which I 100% agree with this statement because I see Tesla as the potential winner in Industry 4.0, not only by disrupting every industry that's related to this revolution trend, but also as a Model 3 owner myself, there's no car that can perform like Tesla in the market currently. The fourth industrial revolution is not only important for economic or political reasons, but it is reshaping how we live, work, communicate, and what we value. This is why it is very important as an investor to know and understand the change and position the portfolio wisely based on the future expectations so that we won't miss out on the opportunities. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please leave a comment on what you think about Tesla. And if you thought this video was helpful, please give it a like, and also if you like this type of content, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.